Yo guys, welcome back, and there is Nespeep. So today's video I'll be showing you how to earn free W coin. Okay, so before we get started, if you are new to my channel, this channel is all about airdrop, and we make it free so that you don't lose your money on getting an airdrop. Okay, so guys, Nespeep is all about airdrop, and we make sure we verify before giving out videos to you guys to watch and earn. Okay, I've explained to you guys what airdrop is and why it is free. Okay, it's all about coping up on some tags and be able to earn free coin. Okay, so if you are new here, you'll be able to subscribe. Okay, select the notification button to all so that you can be able to get our videos. Okay, so this is our backup channel. We already have about 2k plus follows and subscribers, so you'll be able to join our Instagram and Telegram, and the WhatsApp handle is up here. So let's continue with this video. So on today's video, I'll be talking about W coin. Okay, this coin is the first decentralized application based on a unique model where the community decide on which blockchain the token will be listed on. Okay, so let me explain what this W coin is all about. Okay, this W coin is based on community. Okay, so the community is going to be choosing either this coin is going to be listed on 𝓨 network, Solana network, or an Ethereum network. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you'll be able to earn on this coin. Okay, first one, you're going to refer friends, relatives, or co-workers. Okay, so it's very simple and you don't have to pay any charges or fees. Okay, so let me show you how to earn this particular coin. I'm going to be dropping the referral link on the YouTube description. Okay, so I'll click on play and wait for a while. So I've earned 94 units of this airdrop. Okay, you can see it up here. So to earn is either you tap, which I do every day. Okay, you tap to earn. Okay, or you click on the tax. So today's tax, I'm going to be claiming this 2000 watts of this particular airdrop. Okay, so I'm going to click on claim and I'll follow the community on Telegram. Okay, so let's go back to my dashboard. You can see I already have 2032 of this particular airdrop. Okay, the next tax is staking. So I don't advise my subscribers to stake any coin to earn an airdrop. Okay, it's still an airdrop, so you can be able to earn only is to tap and earn and do your daily tax. Okay, so today we have done our daily tax and we earn 2040 of this airdrop. So the next tax is to boost. If I click on boost, so here I'm going to click on the level 1. So here I can be able to invite friends and earn 2500 of this airdrop. So it's very easy, and if you have issue, drop it on the comment section. I'll be able to help you out. So join here and you'll not miss out on our videos. We upload videos daily on how to earn easy coin and airdrop mining and rest of them, so you don't miss out. Okay, see you next.